Eish, that's a question I always ask myself. I still haven't found Guti who is Polchi actually. I would say sometimes Indo Iba is calling without you noticing. Guti, it's calling you about.
Usually it's people from like your Chinese and stuff like that do that thing. How do you get the confidence of waking up and saying, today I'm going to go do a massage on this lady and she's going to be fine, or on this person and they're going to be fine? Is there a happy ending there?
Not really.
No, let's try again. Let's try again. No, let's try again.
Let me give you an example.
We are whispering, nobody's watching.
Yeah,
We're
I know.
just trying. So,
yeah.
Okay. Let's say that hand, it just decides, I don't know.
Yeah.
So there's no happy ending.
Not really.
I'm so
There's no
disappointed.
happy. Every time when someone calls me and say, Paul, I say, I don't look back or I don't look at them until they put the chi. I'm like, oh, you're speaking to me.
You're speaking to me. Really?
Yes,
That's
how,
deep.
yeah, and they even know that. Goes, I made a mistake. I didn't call him Paul Chi.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing, Paul?
I'm good. And how are you?
I'm good. Welcome to our family.
Thank you.
Here, we are just a family that's grounded. We're easy flowing. So we like the topic that you're coming with today.
Oh, okay. That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
Thank you for having me.
So, can you tell our family, who is Paul G? What does Paul G do on a daily?
Eish, that's a question I always ask myself. I still haven't found Guti who is Polchi actually.
Yeah.
I'm still trying to find myself. Ukuthi kahle kahle Polchi ungubani. Okay, because umuntu ongambuta ukuthi ngubani Paul athi Pauli ngubani akhuluma eligama ukukhuluma ukuthi usebenza kuphi yabo. That's not actually
it's
what
not really,
you are.
It's like your CV.
Yeah, that's just too vague. So I'm still trying to find ukuthi who is Polchi, but then wonke umuntu unayo imvelaphi. So
Yes.
I can just say that ukuthi Polchi na muntu wasepinari.
Kadanji.
No, not Katanji.
The other side. No, remember, masagibela amatekisi bebathi msokwaba Tanji.
Yeah. So I'm from Pinari. Nalabathi kugcwele khona tigebengu and all that.
Siyasaba lelo township.
There's no productive
township
people
ngokusemakhaya.
Rural. It's more like rural valley in a way. So yeah, born khona
And bred
yeah,
there.
everything then khula ngafunza primary school khona lapha
Uyekusiphi isikole?
eVukasambe.
Vukasambe.
Yeah.
Vukasambe.
Vukasambe, it's just by the robots.
Uyambona umuntu wase South Africa eMpumalanga emaroboti. These are called traffic lights. They are not robots.
Okay,
I'm kidding.
yeah, traffic lights. Yeah,
Sonke sikhuluma njalo
you see
vele.
garage, gas station.
Garage,
yeah.
kanti gas station hayi mara yathi shem letinto stand up namhlabeni.
Yeah, so ngilapho I'm a father.
Yeah.
I'm also a husband. I just got
that's
married
nice.
this year around June.
So cute.
Yeah. I'm a model.
Yes, you are. I think we first met
at
Rise FM when we were walking.
Yes, that's how
and
we
you
first
are.
met.
Your work ethic is so nice. Oh, we shot those beautiful shots.
Yes,
oh my
the one
God.
I was wearing
My husband, whoever you are not supposed to see these pictures that we took. I forgot.
Yeah, that's
I forgot it's you.
Yeah,
oh my
that's
God,
me.
that's so precious.
Yeah, the thing is, when I'm at work and when I'm doing something else, I'm a
You are
totally different person. That's me. That's me. I'm a shy person, but when it's time to work,
We are all introverts. But then we become outroverts, if there's a word like that, when we're doing something. I get you.
Yes,
You know,
so
we actually were clicking.
Yeah,
The
right
camera
on the
guy
spot.
couldn't stop shooting.
Taking pictures. I even ran away.
Yeah,
I ran away. I was
I'm
like,
tired, but
no.
we were just doing a great thing.
so-
wow.
Yeah,
To think that the person that I met at Rise FM on that day, and to hear you saying you are a father, you
Yes.
come from Epinari, the rurals, you know, such things, and for you to say you just got married now, like I'm like, what the hell? What's going on?
Yeah.
But like I'm so intrigued, and I want to know more. Well, today we are talking about your space in the massage masseuse. You know, us as black people, we don't know what a masseuse is. We just say the guy that does massages. You know, Kuru was busy saying the guy that does massages.
And in most cases, it's mostly girls. Women.
Girl-orientated space, or women, or other ethnicities.
Yes,
because we allow the Chinese, the Thailand people to come in massages. But now, umuntu wasepinar, like Raf Kona, so is coming to Pocholoza me to do the right things. It's not believable.
So
But so how did you tap into that space? Tell us about it.
You know, it's funny because it wasn't something that I had in mind. I could say I'll be doing about and stuff like that. But then I would say sometimes iba calling without you noticing. It's calling you about because people will just say, what do you do? And I say, I'm a model and an actor and stuff like that. And they'll be like, don't you do massage? And no, I don't know anything about massage. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. And then the next person will also say the same thing. I'm like, oh, why?
Let me tap into this space.
Maybe it's my comfort zone, or maybe it's something that I should venture in. So that's actually how it started. And then I started practicing on my girlfriend, of which she was my girlfriend. Now she's my wife.
I think she's the one who said, you touch nice. You do this nice.
Yeah, so from there I was like, okay, I'm actually good. And then I should just make this as a profession.
Oh, that's so profound. You know, to think that something that you do on a regular without even noticing, you know, can be something that becomes a career path for you. You know, not a lot of people do that. You know, all of us, if somebody sells a bakery, as long as vuli bakery. If munda ne liquor shop, as long as vuli liquor shop. But what you did is step into the space that nobody else, you're filling the gap. You know, there's always that piece that nobody taps into. So I'm so grateful, Guti, you are doing that as a young youth in Mpumalanga from Pinar ne massage akuhlangan. It doesn't go hand in hand. Zero. I'm like, this guy, why? Okay, you model and you say you also a creative actor, everything. You know, when I started off, I'm a person who's more academic and all those things. So they see me as the geek or whatever. But then when I tapped into the space of creative minds, it's a beautiful space.
Yeah, it is. I don't want to lie. It is.
Like, I remember my first show that I did that was live was when I was introducing Uzahara Ewitbank.
Yes.
When she started off. And what's that guy who won Idols? Musa. Musa was still the opening act. He was a person who always used to get into the space and perform other people's songs. His brother, his whole family is in music and artistry. So I'm like, I introduced Uzahara Witbank. There's that Witbank place where is it a theater? Yes. That's the first time it's not the first time that I spoke in public, but it's the first time that I went to a space where I do live shows. You know, I felt so alive. Up to this day, I always look back to that time and I'm like, this is what showed me that I can speak to other people and relate and also bring out this energy. You know, when you're on stage.
It's a different feeling. You just
so tell us about that feeling. How does it feel?
It's actually, how can I put it? I would say it's an achievement. Because someone can come to me, someone stressed, someone tired and stuff like that. But once we start the session and stuff like that, that person is like a totally different person. In the life, that's the only thing. And I'm like, I've achieved.
You are the mastermind. So when they say mastermind, when you take the mind to become the master of sleeping.
I'm like, okay, that's nice. That's an achievement for me.
No, but you're doing well for a black man. Young from Mpumalanga, Epinar, and everything, and for somebody to look at being a masseuse. Like something that we don't even know. What's going on? You know? How do you stay confident in your craft? How do you have a community behind you? Do you have support system? what goes on that makes you say, I'm waking up today and I'm gonna massage this person and I'm gonna take this thing that usually is people from like your Chinese and stuff like that do that thing. How do you get the confidence of waking up and saying, today I'm gonna go do a massage on this lady and she's gonna be fine, or on this person and they're gonna be fine? What keeps you going? Who's your support structure?
Okay, before going to the support structure, I will start with I would say the confidence that I get, or what pushes me. I think is the achievement. Ukuthi kwendekalani after lokho ukuthi abona afile sa happy and stuff like that. Bona someone happy kude mulanga funa ukubona umuntu ajabulile.
It's the most beautiful thing.
Masombona lo muntu ajabulile, it's okay, I've achieved my goal. So that keeps me going. Ukuthi okay, who else should I help? Who else should I help about individual? And then that's what keep me going. And labaning banu babuta bathi, hey, mfata wakho uyavuma into lesona. Ngithi kubuya ati lo muntu lona uze angipostele, uyangipromotela. Stuff like that. So she's the most supportive person I've ever met. Okay, I don't wanna. Okay, let me just leave the other stuff.
No, just say she is the one that's cheerleading you.
Yeah, let me just leave it there. And I always get, I would say, are they critics? Is it? Because people say, no, this thing, mostly guys, they will say, nah, this doesn't end well. Yeah, beside that, they say this doesn't end well. There will be some happy endings.
Hey, that's
stuff like
other
that.
one.
I'm like, what do you mean? And I always give them this example.
Tell us, is there a happy ending there?
Not really.
No, try. No, let's try again. Let's try again. No, let's try again.
Let me give you an example.
We are whispering. Nobody is watching.
Yeah,
We're
I know.
just trying. So,
yeah.
Okay. Let's say that hand, it just decides, I don't know.
Yeah.
So there's no happy ending.
Not really.
I'm so
there's
disappointed.
no happy, because there's this example that I always give to people, ne? And it's when someone says that, I'm like, okay, for instance, because lendo lengi buga as a business vele.
Yeah.
This is how I get money. This is how I support my family and stuff like that. So I wouldn't sabotage it in that way. So ngibaniketa le example yokuthi mina, for instance, ngibekisa, I'm not promoting any brand. Ubona likhekhe I would say Woolworths.
Yeah.
Ubona likhekhe Woolworths liseglazini. You have your money right here. You want to purchase that cake.
Yes.
But no, you can't purchase this cake. The only thing that you can do is just to watch that cake. Nakusasa utophinza ubuye ngani just to watch that cake and admire it. It's so protected to a point ukuthi uyohlala ulibona, but then if ever leli cake bangakuvulela lona bathi me, you can buy that cake.
Oh, so
would you still come? Would you still come there?
No, I won't watch it anymore
because
now
you already have it. You see.
Okay, I get it.
So that's how I keep going. They will keep on wanting the massage and keep giving the money and stuff like that.
I'm not gonna get into what I'm thinking now. My head is taking me somewhere. So you are using that thing. Okay. So they're always hopeful.
Yeah.
One day is one day.
Yeah, one day is one day. One day never comes. You
Jesus
see?
Lord.
Yeah, so that's
help
how
us
I
in
keep my what you call my clients.
Fall into this situation.
Yeah.
No, okay. So, Paul, your name Paul.
Yes, Paul G.
Why Paul G? What's going on?
Basically, that's Paul is my name.
Oh, your
G
birth
is,
name.
Yeah, and G is just I would say the first letter of my second name. And yeah. So I just put them together. It sounds nice. So
I'm
like, Paul
it
G.
does.
So I'm branding that name and calling myself
I
Paul
know
G.
a Paul C. He's my pastor.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Nice. Yeah, so I just put them together and just come up with Paul G, yeah. So every time when someone calls me and say, Paul, I say, I don't look back or I don't look at them until they put the G. I'm like, oh, you're speaking to me.
You're speaking to me. Really?
Yes,
that's G.
Yeah, and they even know that. Goes, I made a mistake. I didn't call him Paul G, and then they start calling me Paul G.
Okay.
So yeah.
So you've shared with us that this is not a space that most men, especially of our color, go into.
Yes.
And also the support structure, it's not every woman who would allow their men to touch on somebody else.
Yes.
But you say it's a healing space. You say it's a space where people feel calm. You're just giving a service.
Yes.
I don't even have words. We've been trying to think, but you know what? You are so brave. Bravery is the word I'm going to give you. And I know, people who tap into spaces where not everybody wants to go to are people who are driven by talent.
Yes.
Your hands, you've used your hands to become a source of income,
True.
A source of hope to your kids, a source of hope to your wife at home,
yes.
and a source of hope from people who are looking at you and saying, we want to be that big, or we want to tap into something that nobody wants to go into. That bravery. What feeds it? What feeds you to become so brave and say, today ngiyasukuma ekhaya emsebenzini and I'm gonna do this? Yini loko lokhona? Is it ekhaya where you come from? Ukhule njani or yini? What's going on? What is that thing that keeps you driven with your hopes and dreams and what you aspire to get eventually?
I would say it's hunger.
Hunger.
And the fact I don't want to fail my what you call my family.
Yes,
because I would say I'm the only person they look up to. I'm the go-to person actually.
Yeah.
Angifuni ukuthi mina whenever they want something, or actually I wouldn't say want, whenever they need something.
Yeah.
I would say I can't. You see, so that pushes me, because it wasn't easy to do this. I don't want to lie. It wasn't easy because I was even scared myself. I'm going to be touching a lot of people. It needs a lot of courage. It's okay, now I'm going to touch this person. Now I'm going to touch this person. So it needs me to be psychologically ready for this. And then as time goes by, I got used to it. It's okay. It's just work. I'm just working. And after that, I'm just going home. So my family are the people that are pushing me to keep on going and having this courage and also hunger. Yes, I would say so.
When you tap into hunger space, I was listening to a podcast. Magji was saying, a hungry person, but amapiano were created from hunger-driven people. Like Usiza now. Who produce a song.
Yes.
He doesn't know the struggle of hunger, but his father implanted that on him.
Oh,
you understand?
Yeah.
Utike was able to say, Mtanam will teach him this way. He's able to produce something that feels like it's somebody who's hungry. So what do you see from your child? You understand? Because when I was watching that episode yesterday. So I was like, what? How did this guy figure out Uguti? The hunger is the one that's driving Amapiano, South Africa.
Yes.
It's the hunger that they had when we doing Ikwaito, Bomnige, everything,
songs,
So they come from a space where people were hungry for success, which we're not there. We are eating amadanoni and things like that right now. So we don't have that hunger space that they had. But they are saying, so Umakji said, Umtanaga TK learns those things from his father. That's why this album became a thing where you feel, this person is hungry for it. Though he's eating amadanone and doesn't know the struggle, but from what the father has experienced, he's impacted him and he's put that thing on him for him to produce something so beautiful, because he has lived through his father's ways that his father was like, okay, I'm so hungry, I'm doing this. Understand? So I'm saying for your son or your daughter that's gonna come, or anybody, your children.
Yes.
How do you think you're gonna enforce this power that you have of using your hands and also not sleeping on the job? You understand? So that they can thrive and rise to be people that are doing something for their family. What do you think are the qualities that a father should give to their child to say, yes, you're not struggling because I worked hard for you, but right now I want you to know your father went through this and I'm teaching you 1, 2, 3, and 4. What do you want to teach them in order for them to know success comes with hunger?
I think lokufanele mntwana noma mdali afundzise yona mntwana ukuthi athi discover yena, yabo, in a way kokuthi mina ngingasho ukuthi I want you to while I don't know what do you want. Because in most cases, but fail because mean I want you to do this, I want you to do this, while I don't know what when ofuna. And then most of kamba was cut ukuthi abonyalo sengifuna ukuthi imela so funa ukuthi imela lo mntwana uthi take her away mavi ama ukuthi ngifuna wenda so funa ukutendela and isikhathi sekulate saying that's where lo mntwana uyafail. So the best way ukuthi mina ngilalele mntwana ukuthi yena yini into la ifunako yebo then mina instead of ukuthi ngi oppose lento leyo but to support it yabo because it's not ngibekise ngesikolo it's not everyone lo academical
not
smart.
Not everyone is academic.
Lo munye blind noma lawyer ukwathi ukudlala ibhola lo munye ukwathi ukudweba lo munye ukwathi in so mina angeke nginforce i-idea ukuthi wena kufanele ufunze esikole ufunze kunemuntu langafunza grade ngibekise kude umuntu ofunza lo fail grade 1 but ukhanze umuntu afail grade 1 noma grade 3 because it's not a matter ukuthi lo muntu ulibele on stuff like that
it's
but then it's not his thing. But then uma bathi badwebe lo muntu udweba lenge into le dweba umuntu wa grade 7
that's
you see
true.
So and ngiyalokungcono because there are schools ukuthi if you are good at this you just gonna go to this school yabona into enjalo and then uqhubekise liphupho lakho and just become something. So support is the only thing that I can teach my kid ukuthi I need to support you. I need you to be heard.
Learn who they are.
I need you to be heard. Your voice yakho nayo it matters. No matter what's meaning imzala, but your voice as well, it matters to my ears.
You know, when you say that, Paul G, you know, we learn a lot from the people that we think are younger than us. If you take your time and listen to them or allow them to voice out what they have in their minds, it's powerful.
True.
You know, most of the time they tell us things that we are not even aware of, and we've been walking this path through and through. So I'm so grateful for you saying, Uguti, you need to allow the child to be who they are and learn from their traits on what they're doing in order for you to know how you go about treating them and supporting them as a whole.
Yes.
We are about to wrap up today now. I'm so grateful for you for coming to the show.
Yes.
We acknowledge you. We see you. We see your work and we promote you. And can you continue building from where you started? Don't limit yourself. Go ahead and continue breaking those boundaries. Not a lot can break boundaries. Not a lot can tap into spaces that nobody is aware of. You don't have a go-to place where you say, can I go check? How do you do this?
Yeah, true.
Akufani nokuthi ube umntana womakhenika and then uyabuta papa makwenda kaso imoto ngenza njani, you know?
True.
So you don't have a reference space. So that's what I love and I've drawn from this interview, that you are a person who decided to say, even if there's no reference point, even if I don't know what lies ahead, I'm gonna lead with what I know and with what I have in my hands. Sorry for the pun, but yes. So as I close, we're gonna play a game right now.
Okay.
Family, I know we've been talking a lot, but now we're gonna do the quick fire. That's what we call it here.
Okay.
So you're gonna help me choose. You're gonna choose for yourself actually what you choose. So healing or the hustle? Just choose. Healing. You know when you're broken?
Yeah.
Or the hustle?
Hey, hustling is too much. Yo, I would say healing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm with you there. Hands-on work or business growth? Choose.
Business growth.
Oh, but you use your hands.
I know, but still, I need that.
You're misleading us.
Really, because I'm aiming to grow. From this as much as I would say enjoy. I also need people who will do that, and I will be sitting there.
You're so focused. I can see I was trying to catch you on that one.
Yes.
Because I was gonna say this happy ending thing. Okay. Courage or comfort zone?
I would say courage.
Obviously, everybody would choose that. Okay, I didn't write those things. Okay. But anyways, I didn't see anything. I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah.
Gym session or rest day?
I would say rest day. I'm just kidding.
But I did not expect that.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, gym day, always, every day. Yeah.
Okay, just one word that describes your journey in everything in life. One word. We're not gonna discuss it. It's just one word.
One word.
Yeah. Choose it. Or a color.
I would say love.
Oh wow. So you're choosing red.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. With what you've said, I believe that. Family. This is unfair.
Yeah, it's so simple.
This is really unfair. Okay, just give me 3 things. Make them. You start with the one that's more special, and then the second more special, and the last special thing. There's a movie we've watched that taught people you must choose through 3 things.
Yeah.
Like for me, okay, for me, I've got medicine, I've got my family, and I've got God. So these 3 things. So I need to
Are you choosing medicine because you are into medicine?
No. I didn't say it's my sequence. I'm just saying I'm in medicine. And I've got God and I've got my family.
Yes.
So I don't think I'll be able to say this is number 1, number 2, number 3. It's so hard, bad for me. But I know a person, I'm going to use what they did. They said medicine.
Yo.
God. Then family.
You.
There's no way of winning here.
Yeah.
There's no way of winning.
There's no way.
What's your take?
Okay, I would say God.
God's number 1.
Yeah, God is number 1, always and forever. And family.
Yes.
And love.
And love.
Yeah.
You love love.
Yes, family. I don't want to lie.
So today, Upolji has taught us that love comes first. And for you to thrive and heal and rise, the support structure needs to be there. So we're closing up now. And we're saying, till next time.
Awesome.
Thank you for being with us.
Yeah, I'm grateful.
We appreciate you.
I'm grateful.
We pray for you. We hope that there's mountains that you're going to climb and actually walls that you're going to break.
Thank you
so
so
we can
much.
thrive in all space.
Thank you so much.
Family, it's a wrap. Bye.